PlayStation 4 controller, limited edition. What's wrong with it? L button broken. Does that mean L1, L2, L3? I don't know. That's all I know. So I'm gonna plug it in, put it on the gamepad tester site, and let's see what happens. Okay, here's the gamepad tester site. Let me refresh it. Oh, I guess it detected it. Well, it says unknown. Do I have another controller plugged in right now? Ooh. Let's see, unplug it. Okay, it's just detecting something else weird on my system. Okay, there's the controller. Okay, so I'm just gonna double check everything else. Why not? Okay, touchpad button, R3. R3 is not, okay. I guess it doesn't light up when you press it down. Okay, cool. L3 is working. Joystick works. Let's look at the drift. I mean, that seems okay. Okay, here goes L1. Pressing it, not lighting up. L2. All right, so it's L1. It feels normal, but nothing happening. Okay. I have another donor controller here if I need parts. All right, open it up. Okay, I don't open these all the time, so let's see. Surely that's not a screw right there on the center. Okay, looks like the top pops off. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yep, didn't break anything, I don't think. Cool. Let's get the ribbon cable out of there. Okay. Put that over somewhere. Okay, so let's see. L1 right here. Oh great, of course it's like way down in there. Does this just pull out here? Not sure. Okay, let's get the battery off. Okay. Gotta get this screw. Is that a stock PCB? M2 Titan? Or is this some sort of controller mod? Let me look this up real quick. Okay, so apparently this controller has a mod installed called MZ Titan. I don't know if it's version 1 or 2, but um, yeah, I'm getting the app right now to try and control it. So maybe the L1 button is just disabled inside of here. Uh, okay, I imagine I have to power it up. Let me just plug it in. USB power. And I'll leave the battery in. Oh, USB power's on this side, okay. Alright, this is gonna be a little bit awkward. Okay, plugged in. And lit up. Nope, there's the Titan mod chip. Detected. So maybe the battery's dead. I don't know. Oh, it's updating something. Well, this is way more interesting than just opening a regular controller and replacing a button. Okay, update successful. Mod profiles, controller default, no mods. I wonder if does that mean that's what's installed right now? Tap to use the profile, swipe right to edit the profile, left to delete. Select the layout most close to the layout. Okay, so I think it just had nothing on it, or maybe when I connected to the app, it uh, deleted all that stuff. Let's see what the website says. Just refresh it. There's that. Okay, it thinks the L2 is pressed. That's probably just because of how it's sitting or something weird right now. Okay, let me put this together properly and just double check it. I'm actually going to connect one more time with the app and then delete the profiles and just yeah, just to make sure there's nothing going on with it. Profile, swipe left to delete. Controller default, no mods. It's presets. Okay, cool. Now back to here. Let's check for updates. No updates. Disconnect. Disconnect. Okay. Put that to the side and unplug this. Oh, you know what? I want to check and see if the battery is drawing anything. See if it's charging. I have a little ammeter here. Okay, plug this in. And it's not drawing anything. Let's see if it lights up. Yeah, it lights up. So it has power. But, okay, there we go. 0.02. So it's super, super low. I'm guessing it's not charging. Can't say for sure though. Let's see. No, it's lighting up without power. Okay, cool. I guess I was just wrong. All right. Let me just get this back together properly. No. Get this cable here. Go back to the controller site. Okay. L2. All the buttons are working. L1? No. Okay, physical L1 problem. Cool. Wonder how well this is soldered on here. Let's check. Well, it's on there. That one doesn't look too great. Could definitely improve those a little bit. Yeah, not perfect, but I don't know if that would not work the way it is. I can't see where it connects under the other stuff. Yeah, it's just making physical contact with it. Well, don't know if you could see. Okay, all these points here connecting right there. Probably important that those are clean. Just get a Q-tip here. Just make sure those are clean. Okay, touch up the solder joints and test it. And then pop off the L button and see if there's something obvious. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Might as well touch that up too. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely the ground plane there. What's the most difficult? I'll clean it up a little bit. Okay, it's bothering me a little bit how far off this is. I know it doesn't matter at all. Let's see. Okay, that's better. Okay, now back to the regular camera. Put it back together enough to test. You know what? Let's see. Maybe there's something obvious at the L1 that I can find right now. Yeah, I don't even know how this comes off or how it works. I can see the clips. Okay, button's off. Plastic doesn't look broken. Yep. There's the actual button right there. I have to take the L2 button off as well. That difficult, actually. Okay. L2's off. Okay. Get the membrane up. All right. Clean the little pad here and the contacts there. That's about all I can do, short of replacing the little membrane that's all throughout the controller. Hopefully I don't have to do that. Unless there's some kind of weird problem with the microcontroller or something. Okay, pop L1 back on there. Okay, feels good. Get this put back together. Okay, light blinking, that's a good sign. All right, now to the gamepad site. Okay, plugging it in right now. There it is. Okay. Okay, here's L1. L1 works. Dirty, I guess. One of the things that I cleaned helped it. All right. Cool. That would have been a little bit more interesting if it was like some profile that was left over from a mod or whatever. But yeah, pretty simple. Easy fix. All right. Thank you for watching.